Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to heal fast during combat or when you need it. So first of all, go to the tech tree in the tier 1 and go to about the middle, and here you'll see basic bandage, which is going to unlock the health, recovery, concussion. So you'll need some oxides, salt and bones. Bones can be gathered from animals, oxide can be found on the ground or as these deposits, and salt also can be found as these deposits. So just go ahead, go outside, mine some of these deposits, and when you get hit and hurt, go ahead and craft the health recovery, and then just go ahead and drink it. And as you can see, it is going to give you 100 health. There is no cooldown, so you can heal as much as you need. And this is pretty much all. How to heal in combat. So this is pretty much all. Thank you for watching, make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.